But for that, it takes 4 qualifications. The number 1 is takes discrimination power. That means it takes a certain faculty of the intellect to be able to distinguish between what is truth and what is not truth, what is self and what is not self, what is permanent and what is impermanent. It's not that easy. The power of discrimination, that very sharp thinking, that is able to see the reality or the value of things. If something that is look very nice, but it won't last long, and you say, oh, if something doesn't look very nice, but it will last much longer, then which one? If you are an intelligent person, you would choose what? Huh?
Last long.
Yeah, the thing that lasts long. If you invest your money in a company that you know it will go bankrupt, even though it has a nice name, or you invest your money in a company that has no name but it will last long time. So which one you would choose? Yeah, so that's what it is. For our life, we need to think properly and invest our energy correctly. Invest our energy in something that is long-lasting, true or real, permanent, or as long-lasting as you can imagine. And something that is short-term, temporary, conditional, coming and going, subject to changes, subject to everything else, then pay attention. Better that you don't go there. Okay? And it takes a long time for us to develop what we call viveka, the faculty of discrimination. Yes or no? Because we always blink our eyes and then get emotional and then just go for the immediate gratification. Is it not? We don't take time to think. It takes too long to think. So we are very thirsty and hungry. We just want to jump in the first thing. So we need to sharpen our thinking. Okay? What we think is not really leading us to the truth. So we need to sharpen our thinking, ask ourselves the question correctly. What is real and what is not real? According to Vedanta philosophy, then what is real is that which is not changing. What is not real, or relatively real, is that which is changing. Okay? So it's very simple. That's the definition. It's very simple. If you're about to invest your money or yourself or your energy in something, ask, is this going to be lasting? That's it. Or it will change. Okay? And if you know that it will change, then take it with a grain of salt. If you have to do, then you have to do, but don't put all your energy there. Let's say you invest all your energy into a house. You think this is it. The house will make me happy. You will spend all the money, all the effort and everything. But the house collapses, the house gets old, and the real estate come up and down, an earthquake can come and shake the house. Anything can happen. Yes? And then you put all your energy in it, then you will face suffering. Okay? So ask yourself the question, what is lasting? What is real? So it is said the spirit is real. Atman, the truth inside of us, is real. But the body is not. The hair is not. Sometimes people think everything is, it's okay, but my hair is real. You know?
Sure.
I agree with you. The body is not real, everything is changing, but my nose is real. Don't you think like this? We have some peculiar way of being blind, you know, attaching ourselves to something and then lose our view. Okay? So that's the number one, called viveka.